If you want to see that, $410 for some 3/16 4x8 plate. But we needed it.
Yeah, I heard that I did. I ain't seen nothing back that way to bother you. You had your Kodiak with a Kodak about the 26, but that's about the only thing I've seen back around through there, right there.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Coming to you live. Well, not live, but we're over here in Altus, Oklahoma. Thursday morning, November 10th. We are about to pull into the PCCA warehouse, which stands for Plains Cotton Corporation Association. Man, it's a mouthful, ain't it? Plains Cotton Corporation Association warehouse. This is where we haul our cotton bales to. Y'all are used to seeing me haul cotton seed all the time, but here we're hauling bales. So looks like they got a little different setup here than what they used to. There's like a guard shack or something here, building a building. I ain't been in here since last year. My father-in-law is helping us haul bales. He's the one that's been hauling the cotton bales. So he had a doctor's appointment today, so I'm going to fill in for him today. I think we just roll on in. Roll on in. I don't know where they're unloading. Normally it's over here on these warehouses up here on our left. Ride around till I see what's going on. Yeah, we'll probably haul 2 or 3 loads over here today. It's about a 90-mile haul. And also while we're over here this morning on this round, I gotta go by the steel supply store right back here behind us, not too far down the road. Pick up a 4x8 sheet of metal to put in one of our dry vans. We haul these bales in dry vans. Need to pick up a sheet of metal, put in our dry van floor. It's one of the trailers we rented has got some. They're 2007 model trailers, and they're pretty well rotted out in some places. So we're about to make a plate. These forklifts don't fall through the bottom. There's a ramp here, ramp there. You know what? I'm gonna jump off here right quick. I'm gonna call my father-in-law and see what barn they've been unloading in. But we'll get right back to y'all in just a second. It looks like a guy come walking out right here. Where we gonna unload at. Get turned around, we got back up to this little dock right there, little ramp.
This is good.
Okay.
Open these doors up. Alright guys, so we got backed up to the little dock there. Do my paperwork right quick, but yeah, that PCCA, that is a mouthful to say all at once, isn't it? Plains Cotton Corporation Association. Corporation Association. That's the kicker on that whole deal. 176,084 on my mileage. I do my mileage sheet here. But hope everybody's doing good. This ain't gonna be a very long video today. I just wanted to give y'all a brief show a little bit of hauling these bales. Ain't nothing to it. Pulling a 53-foot drive in. We got 4 of them. I'll kind of show y'all at the end the loading process and how it works, and and we might throw in a little bonus footage of if I have time to work on that trailer today to put that plate in there that we're gonna go pick up in a minute. So that being said, I got a buddy of mine. He just pulled up over here. Those of y'all been with me for a long time, y'all remember Mr. Jerry. We all worked at B&B together. He's back to working with his nephew now. Brandon Trucking out of Amarillo, Texas. I used to have my truck leased on to them as well. So Jerry's a good guy, so I'll probably jump out and holler at him here in a minute. We'll get out here and get a little bit of video of these guys unloading this back here. Got us taken care of. About 10 minutes is all it took for them to unload that whole trailer. 100 bales, that's what we haul on these trailers. 100 bales at a time. Pretty quick. These doors close back up. We gotta go to that metal store, steel supplier. Everything looking good. Got one aluminum wheel, one steel wheel. Come on. That's how we do it around here. That's how we roll. Go Rat Rod though. She's looking pretty good today. Finally got it washed yesterday. Got some spots on it again, but looks better than it did, man. My tanks were black. We've been getting quite a bit of rain here lately. Like that. I hate when they got all the hookups right here, right over your tires. Kind of a pain in the butt. Need to get a bungee cord. I guess I need to. There we go. And to keep it out of the tire. Alright guys, we're almost to the metal store here. We just unloaded right back over here, about a mile over there, not too far. Got livestock nutrition center over here where we unload a lot of pellets. No truck traffic, no through traffic. I'm sorry, I'm going to the metal store right here, so it's not through. Check out that old gin right there, y'all. Old cotton gin somebody done turned into a shop. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. We're gonna ease up beside the, I think it's called Amsco or Amsco, something like that. Get in here and see what they got. See if we need a 4x8 sheet or something. Hopefully they'll have something we can use for some plate. Amsco, A-M-S-C-O, steel. Get in here and see what they got. If you don't see that, $410 for some 3/16 4x8 plate. But we needed it. We needed it. So put this up and open up these van trailers, see where they want me at. Open up these doors and see where they want me at. Well, it's nice out here this morning. I'm afraid today is the calm before the storm. We're supposed to get our first hard freeze tonight or tomorrow night or Friday night. Got a front supposed to move through. Supposed to move through tonight. Supposed to get down in the 20s. Down into the 20s. So all these trees that got the leaves on them still. This time next week, I ain't gonna have no leaves on them no more. That time of year, ain't it? All right, let's go talk these hands in here and find out where they want us at. there's our piece of plate. We'll get it to the gin and get it into the other trailer. So it'll ride right here, no problem. Going home, we ain't got very far to go. If it slides forward a little bit, it'll slide forward a little bit. But it is what it is. Let's go to McDonald's, get a little breakfast, head back to Texas. Y'all know what's up. One thing I like about Altus over here, easy in, easy out for the Mickey D's. Just pull on the side of the street out here. Never bother us. Been doing this for 15 years. Now let's roll back to Texas. Here loading a while ago. Starting to get a little more cotton on the yard. Alright guys, that trailer over there is the one we got the issue with the floor messing up. Look at that. Didn't even move. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to back these two trailers up together butt them up. And we'll butt them up and slide that metal into that trailer right there. I'll show y'all what's going on with this one over here. So this is a 2007 trailer, and the floor is just rotted out of it. Right behind where your duals would sit, and it gets a lot of road spray, road film, is where it's messed up. If I find it again here, further forward, this is up here, front of the linear. Yeah, right here, you can see it. Look at all the wood here. It's breaking out right there. So what we're going to do is put that plate on the inside of this trailer here. I'll drill some holes in the plate, and we'll put the bolts back through it to hold it on these cross members. And then there's a big plate toward the front. We might even weld the front half of that plate. I'll probably just tack weld it to the front. Tack weld it to the front. Here. See if we got enough light here. Yeah, there should be enough light. But you can see right here where the floor is bad. Forklift sign. You got this plate, metal plate right here up front. So I got a 4x8 sheet. It should fit there almost daggone perfect, where I can get it right on the edge of this, and maybe we can tack weld it to it to help hold it in place. But I got enough screws. I got 15 screws. I can put 5 screws and 3 of the runners right there, and it just needs to hold it in place. It really ain't got to secure it or anything. But then that will distribute excuse me, that will distribute the weight over that area better. So hopefully make it through the rest of the year. Somebody ran the forklift through the top. I don't know. So let's back her up, and we'll slide this metal over. You go, Rick. Yeah, man. That's great. I was gonna say, I'm gonna go up by the stands and shit. So, give him a big thumbs up. Yeah, there you go. He's the boss. He's the boss man. Thanks, Randy. I'll be back in a minute. Well, that was just a little quick look at the gym there. There wasn't much there. There's one of the stands there. The cotton going into the gin, and then of course the finished product coming out as a bale. And then of course you guys have seen plenty of the seed loading outside where the seed comes out. So on my past videos, he's got if you've seen that trailer right next to this one, it's halfway loaded already. So I'm gonna have a full day. I'll probably get 4. I bet you I'll get 4 loads out of here today. Pulled out here. I'm gonna get out here by the highway right quick. Got cut off there, guys. SD card, memory card got full. Had to do some getting rid of some old videos there to make some room on this camera. So got that done. Got my paperwork done. We're about to head back to Oklahoma. Might just be a little B-roll left for the rest of the day here. It's kind of the gist of what's going on hauling bales. Like I said, we'll probably get 4 loads, 3 to 4 loads. I know we'll get 3 for sure, maybe 4. Just hang out with us and catch maybe a little bit of this B-roll we got going. And I appreciate everybody watching, the continued support of the channel. I know this morning I looked on our studio page, and I think we like 6 subscribers from hitting the 4,000 mark. That's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome for me anyway. I'm super excited about the channel. Super excited about some of the opportunities I have coming at us, that we have coming at us from as a result of this channel, and as a result of you guys watching and sticking around with us. And I'm really stoked. Really stoked. So over here, shout out to Brunt Work Boots, or Brunt Workwear, for sending me those boots to try out. Like I told you, there's a bunch of folks reaching out, wanting to do affiliate work, and want me to test out their products and all that. And that's all because of you guys. That's all because of the support for the channels. For the channel, our channels, because I have a pretty big following on TikTok too. Actually, quite a bit larger following on TikTok than I do here on YouTube. But between both channels, it's really cool. It's really, really great. This is still my baby though. YouTube is my baby. So this is where we do our vlogs and we do our day-to-day stuff. TikTok is more just little 1 minute deals, So. Anyway, thanks for hanging around with us. If anything happens crazy, I'll put it on here toward the end of the video. If not, enjoy the rest of your day. If you made it this far, leave me 3 box trucks down in the comments. And I hope everybody has a great day. And yes, tomorrow is November 11th, Veterans Day. Remember your veterans, y'all. Remember your veterans. Sacrifices that they put down so that we can have the freedoms we have today. And y'all enjoy the rest of your week. And keep the shiny side up. Hammer down. We'll see y'all on the next. Let's ride.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.